Talks. This is Poornima, Intel Ambassador from India. Uh, Today I am going to show where we can see burn tokens in Interlink Labs. Here yellow color mine ITLG token is there. Na? Just click on it. Here right side you can see burning stake. Click on it. Here you need to click on my referrals. See in this for my one referral, direct referral, I lost 500 ITLG tokens. If I click again indirect, see two members. Two members not mining continuously. Here I am losing 250 ITLG tokens. So total I lost 1000 ITLG tokens due to inactive of my team members. So please you also check and try to activate them. Thank you. Have a good day. If you like this content, please subscribe my channel. Share to needy people. Give thumbs up to support me.